Hello everyone, Akash here. Top 10 question I get in my channel about Neo Hair Lotion. Like, does Neo Hair Lotion has any side effect? Also, if I stop using Neo Hair Lotion, does my hair fall off again? Also, does Neo Hair Lotion has any minoxidil in it? When is the best time to use Neo Hair Lotion? Also, does Neo Hair Lotion mess up my sex drive? So let's go through those top 10 questions one by one. If you are first time in my channel, I just opened up a new webpage called akashbishwas.com where you can get help from me one-on-one. You could talk to me, also you could video chat with me. This way I could help you get the best help for your hair loss situation. The subscription link you will find in the description box down below. So does Neo Hair Lotion has any side effect? I personally use Neo Hair Lotion for more than 4 months, and Neo Hair Lotion definitely helped to boost my hair growth and made my hair follicle much stronger, which helped me to get thicker and fuller hair. Again, last few years, literally thousands of people reach out to me about Neo Hair Lotion. And every single person used Neo Hair Lotion did not say anything about any side effect using Neo Hair Lotion. Many success stories they shared how Neo Hair Lotion helped them to improve their hairline. But generally, if you're using any product, it could be hair supplement, hair oil, or hair lotion, or any other product. If you feel uncomfortable after few use, then you should not use that product. Or you could ask your doctor, can you use this product? Another frequently asked question I get in my channel, if I stop using Neo Hair Lotion, does my hair fall off again? If you're using Neo Hair Lotion for last 6 months and you get your hair back, at that point, you have to think, how could you make your hair roots strong and healthy? If you could do that, you're gonna have less hair fall. Few ways you could do that. Use organic hair oil few times a week. Make sure you're eating healthy. Also, not having any vitamin deficiency. If you're not sure if you have a vitamin deficiency or not, taking multivitamin definitely could help. Also, not using hot water to wash your hair. Also, not using any harsh chemical shampoo or gel. Also, not using a hat. These are some of the little things you should do in your daily life to reduce your hair fall. Another question I get in my channel, does Neo Hair Lotion reduce sex drive? If you look at the ingredients in Neo Hair Lotion, more than 80% of ingredients in here is natural. Like I said before, I used it for more than 4 months. I personally did not see any side effect, including low sex drive. If you are having low testosterone, it could be many reasons for it, like having very little exercise or having too much exercise, and alcohol and drug use. Also, age can be the factor. If you're not sure, you could ask your doctor about it. Another frequently asked question I get about Neo Hair Lotion, does Neo Hair Lotion has any minoxidil in it? Based on looking at the ingredients, no minoxidil in Neo Hair Lotion. You will find in the market many different minoxidil products. Some of those minoxidil products could give you serious side effect. Not all of them, some of them. If you're thinking about to use any kind of minoxidil product, do good research before using it. Another question I get very often in my channel about Neo Hair Lotion, how many times should I use daily? Best way to use it in the morning and the evening. Spray it on your hair in the morning only 3 to 4 times, not more than that. Then comb your hair gently and then let your hair dry naturally. Same process you do at the evening. Another frequently asked question I get in my channel, how many bottles of Neo Hair Lotion I have to use to get my hair back? Again, it really depends on your hair situation. If your hair situation is not that bad, maybe 2 bottles is good enough for you. Other hand, some people might need up to 4 bottles. If your hair follicle is no longer there, it doesn't matter you use Neo Hair Lotion or some other product, it's not going to work. And this is the question people ask all the time. Where can I get original Neo Hair Lotion? If you are in USA, Canada, or UK, you don't have to worry about that if you simply go in my link in the description box and get the original product. But if you are in a different country and you want to buy Neo Hair Lotion, you could reach me through Instagram, send me those pictures of that Neo Hair Lotion. This way I could tell you this is original or not. Another question I get, how much is Neo Hair Lotion? I only could say in the US market it's about $25 to $30, but if you are in different country, price might vary. So my webpage link, my Instagram link, all original product link, everything you will find in the description box. And if this video was helpful to you, if any question that I miss out, you could always ask me in the comment section, or you could reach me through Instagram. Take care.